आप सभी का मैथ्स ओलंपियाड चैनल में स्वागत है। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a if a into a plus a equal to 10. Now this a into a this can be written as a cube plus a equal to 10. Now this can be written as a cube plus a minus 10 equal to 0. अब हमें a क्यूब प्लस a, अब 10 को ब्रेक करना है, -8 and this -2 that is equal to 0. a cube minus 8 in one bracket plus a minus 2 equal to 0 in other bracket. Now this 8 can be written as 2 cube plus a minus 2 equal to 0. Now we use the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, and in second bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So this term can be written as a minus 2 and in second bracket a square plus 2 square plus 2a और प्लस इधर है a minus 2 equal to 0. Now a minus 2 common bracket a square plus 4 plus 2a और इधर टर्म बचे हमारा 1 और इक्वल टू 0. अब इसको लिखेंगे a minus 2 a square plus 2a और plus 5, 4 plus 1 equal to 5 and that is equal to 0. Now the term a minus 2 equal to 0 or a square plus 2a plus 5 equal to 0. अब यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू आ गई, a minus 2 equal to 0 means a equal to 2. एक वैल्यू तो आ गई यहाँ पर a equal to 2. अब सेकंड a square plus 2a plus 5 is this is a quadratic equation, and in this equation the value of a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 5, and the solution a equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon में 2a. This a is the coefficient of a square. तो ये इक्वेशन हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर पर 2x प्लस 5 की तरह भी करेगी. तो अब यहाँ पर -2 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट क्या लिखेंगे, 2 का स्क्वायर -4 इंटू 1 इंटू 5 अपॉन में 2 इंटू 1, and this -2 plus minus under root 4 minus 20 upon में 2. Now come to next page. A equal to 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 20 upon में 2. So a equal to -2 plus minus under root -16 upon में 2. Now up to small class root -16 is an imaginary number. Imaginary number, it is not a real number. So the solution is not possible in terms of real number. Solution is not possible in terms of real number. Real number. But in case of imaginary, if we consider this imaginary, and in imaginary root of -1 we write iota. So the value of a equal to -2 plus minus this root -16 can be written as -1 into root 16 upon में 2. So a equal to -2 plus minus iota, and 16 is a factor of 4 into 4, and this -2 plus minus we can write root 4 into 4 can be written as 4 iota upon में 2. Now we take 2 common, तो -1 plus -2 iota upon में 2 and this 2 cancel out. तो value of A is -1 plus -2 iota. तो वैल्यू हो गई A की -1 plus 2 iota और -1 minus 2 iota. अब एक वैल्यू हमने फाइंड की थी A इक्वल टू 2, एक वैल्यू हो गई -1 plus 2 iota और -1 minus 2 iota is the solution of this given problem. If you have any problem, then write in comment box. Please write, like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button for further new videos. Thank you.